at the back of every investor's head is, when will the market crash occur? Yeah, most investors are worried about that, not me. I'm not thinking about it, not even a little bit. Yeah. But for those of you that are new investors and don't actually know what a market crash is, or maybe have a vague idea but want to find out some more information, I've done a lovely I've done a lovely video for you guys, so just click on it here. And for those of you that do know what a market crash is, have you ever thought about how you would behave, what you would do next if the market was to crash right now, this very second, and you've got some stocks in there? What would you do? I can pretty much speak for most investors. Most investors would completely sell at a loss and exit a trade. Now you have some that would even buy more stocks, believe it or not, and very few, yeah, the elite, may just have forgotten that they've invested in the stock market, and therefore it is what it is. If they lose money, they lose money. If they gain, they gain. But I'm here to throw the question, what if the actual reverse is the best thing you can do in the stock market? Caught you off guard, innit? Hi guys, it's your favourite YouTuber again, Dami Solari, and you're watching DS Learning Runners. Whoa! In a stock market crash. Okay, that's enough for the sound effects, please. In the event of you know what, yeah, most people, as I said just before, would completely exit a trade. Shut shop, exit, not want to think about it. Don't remind me of the stock market, at least within the same duration of the crashing period. It's a dark greyish area that I just want to forget about and go to bed. That's how most people treat the stock market if it were to crash. Now if you think about it, if you have most investors in the stock market doing this, it will cause a strong trend across all of the stocks available. And what that trend is that it's a downward spiral. So when you have people just completely flooding, absolutely escaping from all the trades, it causes the share price to decrease because of demand is low. So if the demand is low, therefore means that the price will have to be low to compensate for it. Now my thoughts on the market crash personally. Oh snap, I said market crash. I'm just gonna have to get used to it. My thoughts on it personally is that there's no other better time to invest than during those periods. And the reason is because your stocks that you see that are normally portrayed at a set price, they will be significantly cheaper than what you would pay if you were to pay in during a normal period. Another question that I have to ask you guys if the stock market were to crash. Oh snap, I said crash. Wait, no sound. Thank you, Lord, for answering my prayers. But anyways, another question that I would ask you guys is, how long do you think that the market crash will last for? And that's a very valuable question to ask. So if you look at the market crashes, previously, the ones that have occurred in the past, you'll notice that there's a regular theme going on. So if you're buying stocks during the market crash, you need to be prepared to withstand the test of time, withstand the test of that market crash duration. Now some market crashes can last for years, some can last for months, so you need to be able to withstand that. But nonetheless, if you are able to get past that and you found a good stock that nothing is going on with it, it's perfectly fine, it's just that the market's down. You know that once the market's back up again, you're going to make a nice, beautiful flip on that money. And what you even have the elite investors, the top notch, you know what I mean, like the big ballers, what you have them doing is saving specifically for market crash. Yeah. Granted, they're not just investing during market crashes, they may be investing normally on a daily basis, but what they do is they save some of their money aside, they set some of it aside so that they've got a big lump during that market crash. And when that crash occurs, they just dive in like a pack of wolves and then buy all the stocks for dirt cheap. Not every single one obviously, all the good stocks for dirt cheap, and then just hold on to them and sell them later on when the market's back to normal again. Now, if you have watched any of my videos, you will know that I'm not claiming to be no guru. I'm not claiming to be a market expert. I'm not any of that. What I'm trying to say is that yeah, you shouldn't take my word for it. Find out from yourself. So don't buy every company available just because the company's dirt cheap. A company may be cheap for a reason, even when the market is crashing. No days off from studying. And also bear in mind that when you're investing in a market crash, you really have to have thick skin, because you're betting in a market that is generically going downwards. So you've got to make sure that you've got enough thick skin to not panic, to not show your emotions, but instead control your emotions and use it to improve your investments. If you guys are just watching this video for the first time, then I advise you guys, I'm telling you, check out my channel and subscribe to it as well. So I'm going to leave a link right here. But yeah, like, I've got other types of videos, not just focusing on the stock market, even though I dive in deep there. But I focus also on financial management, so saving your money, building credit, how to get more money, increase your revenue. I also talk about other types of investments, not just stock market investment, but like property investments. Speaking as a property owner myself, I speak about that sort of topic. But yeah, there's basically something for everyone. And on that note, I want to leave it here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. DS Learning Finance. Bye.